Is your WordPress site running slow? A sluggish website can frustrate users and hurt your SEO rankings. But don't worry, in this video I will share powerful tips to speed up your WordPress site and keep your visitors coming back. And before we dive into the video, I would like to show you the page speed insight results of my own website. I have used the same tips I'm going to show you and achieved these results. Use a lightweight theme. First up, your theme plays a significant role in how fast your site loads. A bolted feature-heavy theme might look great, but it can severely slow down your site. Instead, opt for a lightweight theme like Cadence, GeneratePress or Astra. These themes are optimized for speed and don't come loaded with unnecessary features. Plus, they are highly customizable, so you can still achieve the design you want without sacrificing performance. Install a catchy plugin. Next, let's talk caching. Caching plugins like WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache or Lightspeed Cache store static version of your pages. This means when a user visits your site, it loads much faster because it's serving up pre-built content rather than generating it from scratch each time. A good cache plugin can drastically reduce load times and server response times. Implement a content delivery network. The CDN works by distributing your website content across a network of global servers. When someone visits your site, the CDN delivers the content from the server closest to them, speeding up load times. Cloudflare and StackPack are popular CDN choices and they are relatively easy to set up. Optimize your fonts. Fonts can be a sneaky culprit when it comes to slow load times. Custom fonts are great for branding, but they can actually slow your site down if not optimized. Stick to system fonts whenever possible or limit the number of custom fonts you use. Also consider preloading key fonts to improve performance and reduce render blocking issues. Compress and optimize images. Images are often the heaviest element on a page, and larger unoptimized images can drastically slow down your site. Use tools like Smush or Imagify to compress and optimize your images. These plugins reduce the image file size without sacrificing quality and ensuring faster load times. Additionally, consider using modern image format like WebP for even better performance. Enable lazy loading. Lazy loading is a technique that delays the loading of images and videos until they are actually needed. It means they only get loaded when they are appear in the user viewport. This can significantly speed up initial page load times, especially for pages with lots of media content. Many themes and plugins offer built-in lazy loading features, so make sure to enable this. Limit use of heavy page builders. While page builders like Elementor, Divi and WP Bakery are incredibly powerful, they can add a lot of bloat to your site. If you rely heavily on these page builders, consider simplifying your design or using a faster, more alternative, lightweight layouts. If you stick with Elementor, make sure to minimize the number of widgets and avoid using too many complex animation or scripts. Deactivate unwanted plugins. Plugins are essential for adding functionality to your WordPress site, but too many can slow it down. Go through your list of plugins and deactivate or delete any that you are not using. Always prioritize quality over quantity. Stick to well-coded, lightweight plugins that serve a specific purpose. Invest in better hosting. Your hosting provider plays a critical role in your site speed. If you are on a shared hosting plan and notice your site is slow, it might be time to upgrade. Consider moving to a managed WordPress hosting provider like SiteGround, Flywheel or Cloudbase. These hosts are optimized for WordPress and often offer better performance, especially for high traffic sites. Host videos outside of WordPress. Finally, let's talk about video hosting. While WordPress allows you to upload videos directly, it's not the best option if you're aiming for speed. Videos can quickly bloat your site and slow it down. Instead, host your videos on platforms like YouTube and embed them on your site. This way, you can keep your site lightweight while still offering rich media content. And there you have it, 10 actionable tips to speed up your WordPress website. Implementing these strategies can make a huge difference in your site performance and user experience. Have any question or additional tips? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.